Well, we came from 3 miles that way, and we've been 5 miles that way, and there's still more Jeeps coming in. And so, welcome to the Go Topless Jeep Weekend in Surfside Beach, Texas. I don't know how many Jeeps are here, guys. I mean, probably safe to say thousands. We are actually here this weekend, starting, let's see, right here. There's Allie's Jeep right there, and my Jeep, and Robert's Jeep. And then everything that you see in this picture is part of TAJ, Sam. Give a big shout out to Sam. She came and found us. But everything that I can see in this video, as far down as we can see, to about, right there, whatever that is down, that is all TAJ Jeepers. I think the last count was 127 Jeeps, I believe, just in this one group. Go Topless Weekend, man, if you've never been, it's definitely a deal. But we have since learned, since we've been here, we got here pretty early this morning. We just talked to the Brazoria County Sheriff's Department. They came by here just a little bit ago. Super cool guys. They're not out here to cause problems. They don't harass you. But they just said that they are closing all the entrances to the beach. There's no more area to park. And as you can see, during this weekend, there's no waterside parking. It is duneside parking only. So they are out of parking from here all the way to the very end. I think it's about 8 miles down there. But anyway, that's it, man. They're closing the entrances. Super cool event. There's tons of stuff out here. There's booths of all kinds of stuff set up. They have a stage set up. They do a bunch of live music in the evenings, at night. Everybody's just hanging out, having a good time, not causing a lot of trouble. So far, so good. All the police officers we talked to said everything's been going really, really smoothly, and they definitely appreciate that. But it is an absolutely beautiful day here. There is very little wind. As you can see, there's very little waves, which is actually kind of unusual, to tell you the truth. But this is an absolutely beautiful beach here in Texas. We actually prefer to come down here instead of going to Galveston, just because the beaches are so much nicer, actually. But anyways, there it is, Go Topless, Surfside Beach, Texas. We come down here every year and hang out and have a blast. We used to go to Crystal Beach, but it just got too rowdy and reckless over there, and it wasn't about a Jeep thing anymore. It was all jacked up trucks and a bunch of side-by-sides and hooligans ruining everything for everybody, and it just got too bad. But anyway, we're just going to enjoy the sights and sounds of all the Jeeps out here, and we will see you guys later.
I like that. That orange one, I would name it What a Jeep.
Just because it's so darn cool, and these guys were so cool. Robert's doing the flexi course backwards. Look at that, in two-wheel drive reverse at that.
All the
These are all the Rebel Girl Jeepers.
Oh my gosh, look at the bloodhound! Oh, such a pretty.
Good job.
I hope you don't have to pee.
It says mischief managed on the door sill.
Flexing at the beach. It's about all the flexing you get when you're on the beach.
The doctor said that it was going to happen regardless. I'll get a couple of deep in your house. They're mortified. Stop!
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 Oh, heck. Thank y'all.
You're welcome. Oh, yes. She wants me to.
Man, I had to stop and unlock though, man. I didn't know if I was going to make it.
Yeah, you're good. You got it, matey.
Appreciate y'all. Thank
Sir,
you.
you're welcome.
Right here, AJ.
Good. Oh, awesome. Oh,
I like it. The build's fine.
thank you.
No problem.
We lining them up today. But I will say this one right here so far is definitely the coolest.
That's the best one.
The Yoda duck. So yeah, Go Topless is a little bit of a different kind of event, right? It's just a lot of hanging out, chilling with people, meeting new people, idling up and down the beach. Well, down the beach, it's one way only, folks. Remember that. Every time you come down here, they will bust you hard. It is one way only. Anyways, super cool event. There's a lot of nice Jeeps down here. You meet a lot of really cool people. And the later in the day you get, you just cruise up through here, you never know what people are going to start passing out. We just passed by people giving out Jello shots. They were actually pretty good too. But anyway, we're going to make our way down the beach and head back to the motorhome.
Oh, yes. That's a fireball bucket.
What are you doing?
Lady!
Oh. That's awesome. Thank you. Thank you.
I got my ducky rings! Got my ducky rings!
I don't know what this is. I've never seen a cover like that. What? Oh,
Your partner.
thank you.
God.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. feel like such celebrities when you come down here with a Star Wars themed Jeep. Oh, that is a duck right there. Thank you so much. Look at, now that one is like, that's a king duck right there, boy. Like I say, not your average ordinary Jeep event, but super cool. I guess in today's day and age that you have to allow certain things to identify as different things. So I guess that's a Jeep. I don't know. These guys are pretty cool. Crawl 1960. We've actually met most of them. They have an off-road shop not very far from where we live. They do a in-house event every single year, like an open house. And anyway, super cool. Crawl 1960. Right there by the Poco. They even drive us up to the sign that says wrong way. That's what I thought. Turn around. I'm telling you, man, they don't play down here. It's one way only on this beach. And that is a wrap for Go Topless Weekend 2023 down here in Surfside Beach, Texas. As usual, we had an absolute blast. This is definitely a change of scenery, a change of venue for us. It is nice to come down here and just sit on the beach, pop out the lawn chairs, relax, check out a lot of really cool Jeeps, and meet a lot of really cool people. We're going to get on the road here, head back on down to the motorhome, relax, enjoy the rest of the evening down here while we can. And until next time, till we Jeep again. And without further ado, it is that very special of specialist times again for our channel here. It is time for you guys, the subscribers. As we always try to do, we try to recognize absolutely as many of you guys as we possibly can for taking the time to subscribe to the channel. I recently made a comment here about, I don't know how you guys even find this channel, and we had a lot of fun feedback on that. So I'm going to say it again. It blows my mind how each of you guys finds our little tiny YouTube channel. But thank you for giving us your time. It's very valuable. I always say that because it really is. And for you to give us some of that time means the world to us. So thanks to all you guys, the best of the best out there, for taking the time to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So until next time, we will see you guys again, because we still have a long, long way to go.